What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Gage, everyone's favorite reseller in recovery. Today I'm bringing you something cool. I'm going to be unboxing the new Cr18P Evo Trail Hunter Souped Up Mod Limited Edition. So I'm going to give you unboxing it and go an overview of all the new parts. And if you could do YouTube things for me, hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and subscribe for more cool positive resale content, RCs, diamond paintings, model kits, all kinds of cool stuff like that. If you like anything like that, make sure to hit subscribe, hit the bell icon, be notified of all my future videos, and you'll be able to check out all the cool things I run into. Alright, I'll give you a shot of the unboxing here in a bit. Thanks. Alright, and we'll be opening this with my Civivi Elementum, part of my purple EDC. Starting to get a little wear on the handle and stuff, but it's a great knife. I ordered this a lot later than most everybody. Most everybody I started seeing on my YouTube channel, they were already getting them. And I probably ordered it when there was probably like 4 or 5 left. I probably got my order in. Turn the lights up a little bit. And there she is, Cr18P T-Hunter Evo. This is the Souped Up Mod by Fair RC Limited Edition. There was 99 made. Transmitter. She was in there pretty good. So we got the transmitter here. Got dip switches, steering reverse, throttle reverse, steering door rate, steering trim, throttle door rate, throttle trim, power, channel 3 over here on the side, and channel 4. Channel 3 originally was to shift the because it came with 2-speed gearbox originally, so this was to shift gears, first, neutral, second. But this, the limited edition, comes with a single speed Evo gearbox. It's been converted to single speed with all metal gears in it. Oh, here's your T-wrench, USB plug, instruction manual. There she is. First thing you notice is the red repaint paint job. Looks really good. It's got little dimples from where you can mount the lights, but otherwise the paint job's really nice, sparkly. This one comes with machined aluminum axles with servo on axle setup. It's got a 20% overdrive in the front on this. 4-channel ESC and receiver, water resistant. Let's see, it's got full metal gears in the axles, the transmission, CVD drive shafts. The portal axles have the new overdrive ratio of 20% in the front. The ESC has been relocated with an aluminum mount. And here's the 180 motor. It's been upgraded to a 180 motor. And heavy duty drive shaft. It's still plastic, but they say it's heavy duty drive shaft. It's got oil filled big bore shocks with aluminum cap and retainer. Inside there's brass wheel weights installed inside the tires, and it's got 68 millimeter mutter, extra large mutter with compound tires. Feels really nice. There's foams in there too, feels like. Laser etched number, I got 28 of 99. Battery goes back here. .600 milliamp hour 2-cell lipo, soft back, so that's nice. This battery box, a lot of people have been having a hard time getting it in and out of here, so a lot of people have been moving the battery to a different location, so that's what I'm going to do too. I also went ahead and ordered the brass wheel hexes, so I'll go ahead and throw those in there. And I'm also going to do a conversion to do the tilt body or something to make it easier to get to everything. If you want to subscribe to my channel, I have a lot of other upgrades on the way for this, so stay tuned. I got high clearance links on the way. I got the steel drive shafts, and I also ordered a 3D printed camper shell that I'm going to see if I can get to fit this. I won't use it when crawling. I'll make it so I can take it off and on when crawling, because it's solid 3D printed, so it'll definitely make it top heavy. But yeah, the shocks feel good. But if you subscribe to my channel and stay tuned, got a lot of mods on the way for this. That camper is going to look really cool. I think what I'm going to do is make it like a post-apocalyptic armored camper shell with maybe a turret on the top or something. We'll see. But yeah, that's the Cr18P Evo Trail Hunter limited edition souped up mod by Fair RC. I'll throw these wheel hexes on and I'll get back to you. Forgot to mention these are 1.2-inch plastic beadlock wheels, vented. I'm probably gonna upgrade to the brass ones, maybe in Jora or something. And when I do that, I'll take the brass wheel weights out of the back tires, since I'm putting the hexes on all four corners. That way it'll still have the front bias. And it has the plastic portal covers on the end of the aluminum axle, so I'll probably switch these out to brass too. But let me finish putting these hexes on, I'll get back to you. Alright, I don't know if you can see, but I got the brass hex wheel weights on. Made it a little wider. The problem is, since it's wider, I think it's 4 millimeters each side. Now I can't put the center caps back on because there's not enough thread sticking out for me to put those on. So that's probably another reason I'll upgrade to the Steely beadlock rims. But even with those wheel hexes, it feels significantly heavier down low already. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and throw this on the charger, get some batteries in the receiver, take it out for a run. I don't do any competition crawling or anything like that. It's just going to be for cruising around the yard for fun. So I won't do just those few upgrades I mentioned, probably, besides making it the camper shell and stuff like that. So make sure to stay tuned to my channel, hit that like button, leave a comment down below, subscribe. I got a lot of cool things coming up, a lot of plans for this, including the camper shell mod. Right now I'm building a Douglas DC-3 balsa plane. I'm always on the lookout for vintage RCs when I'm out sourcing. So if you're into all those things, stay tuned to my channel, subscribe, it's totally free, and be on the lookout. And I'll be sure to bring you guys the best cool, positive resale RC diamond painting content I can, reviews, and I appreciate having you here with me. Alright, we'll see you on the next one. Peace out!